Hello, and welcome back to my little corner of the internet, or welcome if this is your first time visiting me. I really appreciate you stopping by. It is going to be an interesting day. And I still hope that you guys are wearing your masks and practicing social distancing, not gathering in large crowds. I see people like celebrating 21st birthdays and stuff like that. Well, not to sound like a Debbie Downer, but I hope it was a good birthday, because there's a deadly global pandemic going around, and it might be your last because of your choice of actions. Yeah, I have no patience for that. None. People talking about like, oh, they can't wait to get back to eating out at restaurants and all this and a normal life. I know that part of it is my own doing, but I have not eaten at a restaurant in over a year, maybe a year and a half, because I'm vegan and gluten-free, and I'm poor as fuck. So a lot of it is cooking at home. I've become a decent cook, so that's good. But yeah, I know people are all different, and we all have our interest and what we enjoy to do and if we're social or not, but can we just try to be responsible adults just for a year? You know, it wouldn't have taken a whole year if things had gone differently, but that's a tangent for another day. So back to the topic at hand. I know I usually go off on tangents in the mornings, so thank you if you are here for that, and I apologize if you're not. Today's divination affirmation is, with passion and joy, I am creating my own future. Which is funny because I did not like that one at first when I pulled it this morning, because I had the intent in my mind, okay, I really need to not stress about today, because today is my honey's birthday. Not stressed about that. We love each other. We've been together for years. Not stressed about that. I am stressed a little bit about, today is when my case is going to be reviewed by the VA caretaker board. And the fact that I have found numerous discrepancies in my own medical record, I'm a little worried. I'm a little stressed. But I have taken the steps necessary to create my future. And my passion fuels that, because we have a lot of dreams, Matt and I together. We want to kind of escape this rat race and hellscape and go get a plot of land, have like my favorite hippie friends around, and just like a tiny house community where we're able to grow food sustainably and have kind of like a community of cripples. A community of people who are disabled but yet have so much to offer. And even if they don't feel like offering anything, if just existing is enough, I will celebrate that. I will celebrate that, help you to nurture and be happy. You know? So if it means pursuing these other routes because I can't work because of my disability and my health, then that's what we're gonna do. You know, I'd love to be able to get like an RV, fix it up, go around, stuff like that. And my list of things of how to go about doing that is pretty short. So I don't think that it'll be too bad, but just the personal toll and the time that it takes and the fatigue, sometimes I just don't have it in me. So that's when the passion comes into play, because it may not pay off right away. It's kind of like when you plant a seed. you won't be able to harvest that right away. You have to wait for it to germinate, to grow, to get nourished by the soil. And so that is what I am doing with my passion and my joy. I'm going to hopefully seed it into my future so we can cultivate and grow a society that is more conducive. So with that, I will leave you. Have a great day, and I appreciate you stopping by. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will see you in my next video. Be good to yourselves.